Hello, welcome to logo programming. In this video we will see some of the drawing commands, that is circle command, and using the drawing color as well as the filling color. Okay, we are back in MSW logo and this is the command screen here, and we can give circle command, and the circle command, in the circle command we should specify the radius of the circle. So we have to type circle and give the radius. If you give a big circle, if you need a big circle, the radius should be big, and the circle's center will be the place where the turtle is located. So if you give 100, then you will be getting a circle of radius 100. Yeah, this is the circle with radius 100. If you give 200, the circle would have been little more bigger. Now we are getting the the drawing with a particular color. So I cleared it and I'm going to set the pen color, set PC, and set PC 4. If I get set PC 4, the pen color will be 4, and if I make the circle with a radius 75, this time I am going to get a little smaller circle, and I am getting a color red because the color 4 represents red in the logo color table. And if I want to fill the circle, then I have to give the command fill. So to set the fill color, set FC or set flood color. So flood color command, if you see, there are 3 values for the set flood color or set FC. 3 values are there. So these 3 values are the combination of red, green, blue, the basic colors, RGB colors. If you combine red, green, blue with some appropriate values, you can make any pattern of color, any colors. So set FC, if you simply give a single value instead of giving these 3 values, then also you will be getting some color. So that color will be, if you give some color 4, and if you fill it, then you will get the color red, because 4 represents a red color in the case of logo. And if you want to use in the other format, set FC flood color, and within square brackets you can give 3 values of colors. First one represents red, so the red value I am giving 0, and next one is green, and the third one is blue. So I am giving value only for blue, and if I fill, I will get a blue colored circle, or the color of the filling or the circle will be filled with blue color. And set FC, if I give another set of value within the square bracket, I am giving 255, that is red. Green and blue values are 0, only red, and if I fill, I will get red color circle. And again, if you want to change the color of filling, set FC, and we can try some other values, 0 again, 0, 255 and 0, and if you fill, we will be getting it in blue RGB, green color, second value for green. So whichever colors are 0 RGB, if first value is 0, then red will be 0, second value is 255, green will be the maximum, and third value, if it is 0, then blue will be minimum. So these values, you can give any values in between 0 and 255. 255 is going to be the maximum and 0 will be the minimum value. It is not necessary that we have to give 0 or 255. You can give a value in between 0 and 255 to represent red, green and blue, and you can form a combination of different colors. You can have a mixture of red and blue, red and green, and a little bit red and more green and a little bit red. You can have different combination. Now in this case, this is a combination of red and green, so that is going to be yellow. Red, and if you mix red and green, you will get yellow. So it is filled with yellow color. Again we can try some other combination. So red, green and blue. If you give green and blue, then you will be getting a blue green color. When you fill, you will get a blue green color. Fill, yeah, this is what the blue green color. So mixture of blue and green in an equal composition. The maximum blue and the maximum green, if you mix, you will get this color. And again you can try some more values. 255. If you give all 255, then the color is going to be white and nothing will be visible on the screen. So because the background screen is also white. If you give 255, 255, 255 for all the values red, green, blue, then you are going to get white color. And if all the values are 0, red, green, blue, all the values are 0, then you are going to get black. So these three colors, red, green and blue, you can mix these colors in an appropriate ratio and you can make any colors. So here I am going to make three different circles of three sizes. First circle was of 200 radius, second is of 100 radius, and third is of 75 radius. So here we have three different circles of different radius, and we can fill all these circles with different colors. And set FC, fill color. So we can set some values here. Red, green and blue, I am going to make it 55, a little less value, and red is full, so it's a reddish kind of color. Okay, this is a color. The maximum red and a little bit blue and green is mixed with red and blue. So I'm going to make my pen up PU so that I can safely move the turtle without making any marks on the way. So it is forward, and now it is pointing to the middle circle. The turtle is in the middle circle, and I can fill the color only for the middle circle there. So this time some other color combination, and I am getting a greenish color. Green was maximum and a little bit red, and blue is mixed with the red. And again I can move the turtle to the last, the biggest circle. The value, okay, 30 I can try. Yeah, now it is focusing to the outermost circle, and let us fill some value for the circle as well. Set PC, we can change these values of red, green, blue combinations, and here 200 for blue, and it's a bluish color, blue color at the most, and a little bit red and green. So we have three different circles, one over other, and all the three circles are filled with the different colors. It's a mixture of red, green, blue. Those three colors are the primary colors. By combining these three colors, we can make any of the colors, natural colors. If all are at the maximum 255, then we will get white, and if all are at the minimum 0, we will get black color. The pen color is red because we can see the circles in red color. So this way we can fill different colors for different objects. And for the pen also, if you want to draw the lines with different colors, in the same way we can make the colors here before drawing. And to draw the circles with the different sizes, we have to change the radiuses. I hope you might have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please feel free to contact me. My email ID is it_teacher1@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.